Hi there guys, this is LRC29 Hybrid Fabric Cleaner. With our trigger sprays, as you can see, it has a lock and there's a little plastic gadget here which you can move left or right, and that will enable you to then pump the fluid through, as you can see, and spray. So obviously keep it in the lock position while it's not in use. This is a fabric cleaner and brightener. This isn't a product that goes into a wetback machine. This is a fantastic product to really brighten all types of fabrics in cars and around the home. It is a spray-on application and then agitate in with a brush, a soft brush, to lift all the dirt out of the fabric, and then you can get a hoover and vacuum that off. That is the best way to use LRC29. It is a fantastic product. It has great foaming action. It is very deep cleaning. So again, spray on for areas that have got stains in them. I would concentrate and spray that particular area with a good amount of the solution, agitate it with a brush, and then vacuum away and see how the stain is looking. This will pull out things like grease, dirt, grime, coffee stains, and everything you could possibly think of. Even oil it is capable of removing. It is a fantastic product, is LRC29 Hybrid Fabric Cleaner. Hop on over to the website today and you can buy some. leatherrepaircompany.com.